Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change language in 3ds Max. Alright, as you can see here, I have the software opened, and we have here the preference settings, or preferences. And as you can see, we don't have any language change option in here or section. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and close the software entirely. Wait for it. Alright, after once that's done, all you got to do is just find 3ds right here in your search bar. Just type it down, 3ds. As you can see, we have 3ds, Korean, French. So just hover over one language and just click on the right arrow key. And after that, just go ahead and click on Open File Location. There you go. As you can see here, we have a ton of languages available. So for example, you wanted to open up a Japanese version of 3ds Max. So just go ahead and double click on it and just basically wait for it to load. All right. So let's just wait for it. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to change your language in 3ds Max. And if you want to, you could go ahead and make shortcut. Okay. Just send this one to your desktop. Just like so. All right. That's how simple it is to change your language in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.